Hello there. I just want to give a brief overview of how to navigate Table. When you first log in, you'll see something that looks like this. I'm on a computer right now, but if you're on a phone, the stuff over here on the right will probably be down along the bottom of your phone. This is some convenient stuff over here because we do have a section where you can invite friends to Table. You never know who's looking for new Pampered Chef or who needs something new for their kitchen. So all your friends who love Pampered Chef, who love cooking, be sure to invite them because if they're in need of something, you might as well let it help Kim, right? But the main meat of the party is over here on the left-hand side. I have a little welcome video here, so watch that if you haven't already done that. And then these colorful little tabs here really is where you're probably going to spend most of your time. So each of these is a different category. Let me start with clicking on this little arrow next to easy dinner ideas. And once you're getting here, it's going to kind of be like Facebook, but all of these posts are on easy dinner ideas. So as I scroll down, there's some videos, there's some images on some different dinner ideas from Pampered Chef. Now, if I see something that I like, let's see, these modular sheet pans look pretty interesting to me. I'm going to click on the little heart here for favorites, and it's going to add it to my favorite page. Now, this isn't a shopping cart, so I haven't committed to anything. It's more like my reminder so that when the party ends, I don't have to remember, well, now, what were those things that I saw that I liked? They'll be right in my favorites. When I'm done scrolling through these easy dinner ideas, I can click the back button, and then I can do the same to explore all these different areas here. When I continue scrolling down on my home screen, this is a step 2, watching a live cooking demo. We have a live cooking demo every Tuesday. I'll remind you of that as we get closer, but if you do want to see some of the older ones, you can click here on view and see some of our previous cooking demos. Chit Chat is a fun little area. You can visit the party Chit Chat by clicking on this. That's where we can all just kind of chat with each other and have a little fun interacting with each other. We've got a fun quiz here that will give you some recipes and product tailored just for you. And we don't want FOMO, right? Who wants to miss out? If you have that fear of missing out, you can click here to see what's popular with Pampered Chef right now, to see what's trending. Then here's that favorites that I was talking about. We can get it down here, or from the very top of our home screen right here, we have our favorites here. And if we click on that, we'll see all the things that we clicked the heart on. Now, these are just, again, a kind of like a wish list, things I don't want to forget about. They're not in my cart yet. But let's say I really want these modular sheet pans. If I click on shop, now it brings me to the main shopping site, right to the modular sheet pan page. And now I can add it to the cart if I still want it. When I click back, it'll bring me back into Table. And that is Table in a nutshell. Please explore it and feel free to reach out if you have any questions.